Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, smash that subscribe button. It's free and you'll have access to a wide variety of sauce and gravy recipes. In this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a Yakiniku sauce. Not just an ordinary Yakiniku sauce, a Coca Cola Yakiniku sauce. Buckle up, let's go! Yakiniku sauces are easy to make. They only take about 5 to 10 minutes to make, so it's super quick and easy to make. Plus, you don't have to marinate the items that you're grilling out. Grill them out, serve them up, dip them in the sauce, boom, you're ready to go. Now let's dive into it. Let me show you how to make that Coca Cola Yakiniku sauce. Grab a small saucepan. It doesn't really have to be too big. Yakiniku sauces, a little bit goes a long way. Don't turn the burner on, but now we'll start adding our liquids. We're gonna add 1/4 of a cup of Coca Cola. Then add 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce. I'm using low sodium soy. You can use regular soy if you like. Now we'll add some mirin, 1 tablespoon of mirin. And a little bit of sake, 2 tablespoons of sake. Little bit of sugar, 1½ tablespoons of sugar. 1 clove of garlic minced. One teaspoon of white vinegar. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Those are the ingredients. They've all been put into the saucepan. Crank the burner up to medium high heat. Bring this to a simmer. Give it a little bit of a mix. Once it starts to come to a simmer, you can reduce the heat. You want to let it simmer for a few minutes. You have to dissolve the sugar, plus you want to infuse the flavor of the garlic as well as the ginger. Oh, the smells are amazing. The Coke, the soy, the ginger, the garlic. Oh, it just smells so good. I'm going to let it slowly simmer for about 2 minutes to infuse those flavors. It's been about 2 minutes. I just let it slowly simmer with the garlic and with the ginger. I just wanted it to infuse those flavors. Now you can take it off heat. And it's best to let this sit in the fridge, let it combine those flavors. So grab a glass container, pour it all in. And if you can let it sit overnight, even better. The Yakiniku sauce is rested. We've grilled the steak. Now it's time to put it all together, but check it out. Check out this Yakiniku sauce. Look at that. Thick, delicious. Now grab something that you can use as a dipping container. We're gonna strain out a little bit of the Yakiniku sauce, this Coca Cola Yakiniku, right into the container. And a little bit goes a long way, so you don't need too terribly much. Perfect. And you can put some green onions on it if you like. And then you're ready to go. That's how you make a Coca Cola Yakiniku. Well, thanks for watching this recipe on how to make a Coca Cola Yakiniku sauce. If you like Yakiniku sauces or dipping sauces for steak, check out this next video. It's a great dipping sauce for a steak. Thanks for watching, and remember to live, love, and make gravy.